This is TJ. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the free drawing program Krita on your Windows computer. So I'm using Windows 8, but these instructions will also work for Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP. So first of all, we need to open up an internet browser. I'll use Firefox. And just go to a search engine like Google and type in download Krita. This is the easiest way to get to the site. You could type in the address bar too. And the one we actually want is KritaStudio.com. So we'll click on this, and this takes us to where we can get the download from. So the current stable release at the time of making this video is 2.8.3. Those numbers might be higher if you download this, say, a year from now or later on, because they are constantly doing revisions. But you'll click on either 32 or 64. So if you have an older, slower computer, you might have to do the 32-bit version. I have a faster computer, not way fast, but it's a laptop that I bought 2 years ago. So if you have a computer that you bought in the last couple of years, you could do the 64-bit. So I'm going to click on 64, and then we'll click Save File. And this will start downloading and saving the installation file to our computer. And on Firefox that I'm using, the web browser I'm using, the downloads are here in the top right-hand corner. I can click on it to see it, or I can click on these three lines and go to I know there's a way to do it. Okay, I lied. Just click on here to see them. And it's downloading to my downloads folder on my computer. So you can see it here. It's not finished downloading yet, so I won't click on it because it says 0 kilobytes on the size over here. But once it's done downloading, then I can run it. And I can either run it from here, or I can just click on this when it's done. So I'll pause the video now and come back when it's done downloading. Okay, and now the download is complete. It's sort of a larger one, 116 megabytes, so you have to have some patience with it for downloading. And then we can just left-click on this file that downloaded. So we'll click Run, and then we will click Next. Click this checkbox to accept the license agreements. And then this just says where we want to install it under Program Files. That's the best choice. And then we'll click Install. And this window pops up. You can't see it on my screen, but you just click Yes. Windows is asking if you authorize the installation of this software. For some reason, the camera doesn't capture it on my screen recordings. And this will be done installing in just a minute, and then we will have Krita on my computer, and hopefully on your computer. Again, if you're not familiar with Krita, it's a completely free drawing program, great for artists, animators. Works best if you have like a drawing tablet, a USB drawing tablet, so you can actually draw by hand instead of having to use the mouse to click. But it has all kinds of cool features and stuff. Check out some of my other videos where I'll do a review on Krita and some other animation software. So check those out. More information also at my website, tjfree.com. Okay, and once the installation is finished, we'll just click here on the Finish button. And now, Krita is installed on this computer. So we can open it up, put a icon on the desktop so we can get to it that way. And awesome. So now you've got it, and then you have to watch some other videos, and if you don't know how to use it, you might have to learn how to use it. Ooh, okay. Let me try my hand at this. Oh, cool. This is me drawing with my drawing tablet.